Well, we have a massive new update from Lyft. They have just announced that they are stopping hiring all new employees until the end of the year. This is groundbreaking news. We're gonna talk to you about how this affects you, what you can do to combat this, and please thumbs up the video, my friends. And firstly, I wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for drivers. And with our link below, there's a special offer right now to get $10 simply for signing up for free. No catch, literally try out the app. They're trying to get a lot of new users, so if you have an active account, if you've even given one ride, sign up now, link your account, and you get 10 bucks in about 60 seconds. Okay, let's get started. So this is big. This is really, really big. Lyft shares stocks are down big right now. And yeah, let's get started with the update. So ride-hailing firm Lyft slams brakes on US hiring as recession fears mount. That's what they're saying. They're saying that basically there's a US economic instability right now. Lyft is foreseeing a big recession, another recession, I guess, going on. And Lyft has been canceling job interviews this week and is reportedly on a hiring freeze in the United States, according to anonymous professional network Blind and a report from Bloomberg. The freeze affects all departments in the United States and should last into next year as the ride-hail giant continues to face economic unpredictability. Quote, like many other companies navigating an uncertain economy, we are pausing hiring for all US-based roles through the end of the year, a Lyft spokesperson told TechCrunch. The move comes after Lyft announced its decision to slow hiring in May in order to bring down costs and drive profitability as its stock continues to take a hit. Lyft's share price has sunk more than 73% since the start of the year at the time of this writing. In July, 73%. So you're saying if you put in 100 bucks, your money would go down to $27. That is horrible investment. I don't know about you, but I like my money, okay? I did buy $1,000 worth of Lyft stock, but I sold it pretty much immediately. So I'm glad I did not hold on to that one. In July, Lyft shut down its in-house car rental business. Wow. Lyft, I don't know, guys. Is this the end of Lyft? Very interesting. Very interesting. So if you're a driver watching this, for now you are safe, but you could be next. And I'm not joking, because this, this is a bad sign. This is a really bad sign. So I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, check out Solo with our link below, and you get $10 simply for signing up and linking your gig account. So do that now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.